Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have got something really exciting for you, especially if you are into AI or video editing. Google just launched a powerful new AI tool, Veo3, perfect for creating high quality videos from text to prompt. The best part, you can try it completely free. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to access Veo3 from opening your browser to getting full access, no cost involved. If you're ready to explore this next level tool without spending a penny, so let's dive in. First, open your Chrome browser and type Veo3 in the search bar and scroll down a bit and click on the third link. Don't worry, I have added this link in the video description so you can just pick it from there. Once the page opens, you will see a simple interface with three options in the center at the top. You need to click the mirror option. After that, scroll down a little, you will see many options to try. Veo3 like Gemini, Flow, Whisk and more. Above all these, you will see a button that says Get Started. Just click on it. Now a new page will be open where you will see two plans. One is free and other one is paid. Just select that free one. After that, it will show you a statement. Just click on I agree. Here it might ask you to add your payment method, but don't worry, it's completely free for 1 month. You can choose any of two payment options to complete the steps, and yes, don't be scared, don't confuse, you won't be charged. After 1 month, if you don't want to continue, you can remove your payment details anytime. That's it. Now you can use Veo3 for free and enjoy Google's powerful new AI tool. Now I'll do the prompt to check the quality of Veo3 and check that how does it work. A depressed man drinking a glass of wine, sitting alone in a bar. Now here you can see amazing quality and amazing voice results of this Google's powerful new AI tool Veo3. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.